Alden Richard update. Yan, after ng press conference, nagkaroon pa nga ng productive meeting. Si Alden Richard kasama mga bosses ng Viva. Yun, no? Gwapo pa nga ni Boss Alden ng Mio Entertainment Corporation. Ito pa yung mga video ni Alden.
October 17 po yung opening ng isa.
Ayun, opening ng McDo.
Sa October 17 po yung opening ng isa.
October 17.
Tuda na napaka-successful mo. So, how rich is Alden Richard? Hello
Po. Alam ko po medyo nagiging thing lately yung pagtatanong tungkol sa net worth. But I would invoke my right for self-incrimination po. But yeah, I mean, hindi naman po ako ganong klaseng tao rin na sinasabi or pinagkakalat kung ano man po yung naipundar ko. It's for them to decide, and it's for them to, you know, I interpret and discover, pero hindi ko po talaga siya pwedeng i-disclose. Sorry po, sir.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you po, thank you.
Okay, so I only had 1 month to prepare because yun nga po, I came from medyo hindi maganda yung naging holidays ko because of my grandfather's passing. So medyo naglaylo tayo, spend time with family. 1 month before the Bench Fashion Show, sinimulan ko ulit yung pagtakbo. Nag-workout ako halos every day kahit madaling araw kapag busy sa schedule. Then kaakibat ang tulong ng aking pinsan, which is siya yung naging nutritionist ko for this. I had to nag-calorie deficit ako na nagbo 1,200 calories lang ako a day kasi medyo malaki yung hahabulin ko. Coming from an 8-month life na walang workout at walang dieta. So kaya medyo may mga chabi-chabi ano pa dito sa nung nagganon tayo nun, pero worth it naman. Enjoy. I mean, more than the preparation and more than the physique that I was able to bring during the Bench Fashion Show, the experience is what I'm after. That's why ganun. I was watching myself, sabi ko, nag-enjoy si Loko-Loko.
Namit ni Alden yung mga boss ng Viva.
And lastly, let's also welcome an institution in the Philippine entertainment industry. Viva's founder, chairman, and CEO, Boss Vic Del Rosario.
May partnership ng Viva. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.